Well, we've got the truck loaded up, ready to head up and see what they've done. Been 7 days since we put new supers on, so we're kind of chomping at the bit to get up there and see what they've done. The bloom looks really good, and I've heard from other beekeepers that it's looking good. So we're fixing to head out. Takes about 30-40 minutes to get up there, but for you, it'll be right now. There is one thing that is a clue of what they're doing. I can hear it's just a low hum in the bee yard. Do you hear that, Chad?
Huh?
Oh crap, I forgot. He's deaf. But anyway, that is a sign that they're at least moving a lot of air, possibly curing down some honey. What do you see? That is sourwood.
Not a lot of it in this one.
Right stuff? How good is it? Uh-oh. So that one right there should have had a super put on it a few days ago. Let's see what's in there. I know I see some mimosa. And I see some clear stuff. So that's a mix. But that super is plumb full. So one would say, well, how do you know that super is plumb full? They're drawing comb on the top of the frames. Let's see. Well, we kind of got a mixed result here. I mean, overall, I'm not going to complain. I think we added 4 supers. And there's several here that will need supers again this weekend if the flow stays the way it is. But overall it's pretty decent. Most of it is sourwood, so that is a definite plus. What do you say, Chad? That's exactly right. It's better than last year's.
From the boots to the brim, we don't back down. We stand tall with that flag proud. Ain't no shame in red, white, and free. If you're looking for a fight, you found me. Got stars in my veins, stripes in my soul. Bald eagle glare when I'm taking control. No handouts, we built this land with grit, stained fists, and calloused hands. That freedom ink, I bleed it bold. On every dirt road and every stronghold. I'm the spark, I'm the flame, the damn parade. I'm Uncle Sam with the renegade blade. I'm made in the USA where the brave still rise and the strong don't stray. From small town roots to them city blocks. We don't run, we don't punch clocks, we build.
We made it to the second yard. We're going to see what these have got in them. Fingers crossed, these all had brand new supers on them, so if there's anything in it, it should be pure sourwood. So we shall see. Boxes have definitely got the bees in them. They're right there working. What do you got?
Half a frame.
We've already looked at 2, and we haven't seen anything except sourwood. Let's see what you got.
Well, you can't really see it unless it's so clear.
That frame looks empty, but watch this right here.
It's a good example on the white foundation.
Yep. If that was black foundation, you could not tell what color that was. That's why we prefer white plastic foundations for honey supers, so you can tell what color the honey is. But you can look on that hive tool right there. There's 0 color to that honey. That is the right stuff. Here's a taste test.
Tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama.
Y'all have no idea how funny that is coming from Chad. Alright, we're going to finish up here. We got through this yard. This one actually looked a little bit better than the other one we went through. We added several supers, and everything here was nothing but sourwood. I didn't see anything that wasn't. So it seems like, or it looks like, our hard work's going to pay off in the long run. We should have at least, if the weather cooperates, another week to go here, and the way they've brung it in over the past week, it'd really be nothing for them to fill up another super in a week. And if we're real lucky, we might get a week and a half out of it. So, but I feel real thankful to be able to be out in this bee yard. Just show y'all the view that we got here. It's absolutely gorgeous here. Real pretty yard to put some bees in. Okay, hope everybody has a great day.